Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you accept credit card payments in your FreshBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept credit card payments in your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sending out your invoices and making it as easy as possible for your customers to pay helps prevent your cash flow from being tied up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks account, and this is the dashboard. Now, if you want to accept credit card payments to your FreshBooks invoices, it's going to be handled through Stripe. So you're going to go ahead and link your Stripe account to your FreshBooks account. So that way the payments and credit card payments from your customers are processed through Stripe. So how you do that is here on the left side, you want to click on payments. It looks like a little wallet. All right, once you do that, you're going to see your payment section, but you want to go ahead and click on this button here on the top, more actions. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and click on this, accept online payments. Okay, so I've already connected my Stripe account to my FreshBooks. So as you can see, I can accept credit card directly from my invoices on FreshBooks. So I can accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and even Apple Pay and Google Pay. So here, what you're going to do in order to accept credit card payments in FreshBooks, you're going to click on the little green button, and that's going to ask you to connect your Stripe to your FreshBooks. Once you click on that green button, it's going to open up a Stripe login screen. So you're going to use the email associated with your Stripe account and your password associated with your Stripe account. Once you do that, Stripe is going to ask you a little bit of information on what you are doing with your business using the FreshBooks account. So you'll describe if you're an LLC or if you're a corporation. And then also you're going to have to describe what type of business are you running and what type of transactions, who are your customers. You need to give them a brief description because they don't really want you running illicit business through Stripe. Once you do that, you will need to verify your social security number, your address, your phone number, and then you'll want to go ahead and submit your application. So I had an existing Stripe account. So once my application was submitted, I got notification in about 10 minutes notifying me that I was approved. And then as you can see, my FreshBook, I can accept credit card payment right away. So I don't know if you are setting up a new Stripe account, it might take longer for the application and the review to go through. But if you're working with an existing account like I am, it took about 10 minutes. So once you get that notification from Stripe that your credit card payments through Stripe have been authorized for FreshBook, you're going to see this right here. So now what's going to happen is when I send out invoices through my FreshBook, my customers are going to have the option to go ahead and just click and pay with their credit card. So it makes it nice and easy for them. Now, if you prefer to accept credit cards using your PayPal account, you can just scroll down a little bit and then you're going to see this section right here. So you can connect your PayPal account. So just keep in mind, if you're going to connect your PayPal to receive credit card payment, it's going to have to be a business PayPal account. And either way, it's going to be the same thing. If you connect your business PayPal, once that happens, you're going to be able to accept these credit cards right here. So as you can see, Apple Pay and Google Pay are missing from this. So if you want to give your customers more payment options, you might want to go ahead and just connect your Stripe. Also for me, I usually try to connect Stripe instead of PayPal. Both of these payment providers will hold your payments if you have some sort of a dispute, but I hear a lot more stories sometimes of PayPal holding up those payments. But either way, once you get those approved, then you would be able to accept payments directly through your FreshBooks invoices. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to accept credit card payments through your FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.